Hi everyone, here we've got Niteo Tools Titan, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two options to choose from. Let me show you the first one. It is using the dialer, so let's open it. Let's open the keypad and let's type *06#. And as you can see, the IMEI info just pops out, so let's click on OK. Let me get back to home screen and let's check the other option. It is using the settings, so let's choose settings, scroll down to the very bottom and choose about phone. Now let's tap on the status, and here we've got the serial number, and if we want to check IMEI, then tap on IMEI information. And as you can see here, we've got IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Niteo Tools Titan. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.